Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable battery saver in Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Once you will enable battery saver in Opera browser, it will help you to browse up to 50% longer. To enable this one feature, first open Opera browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu select settings. In Opera settings, select this one features in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to find this one battery saver option. Beside this one enable battery saver, turn on this one toggle switch, and then beside this one save battery automatically, turn on this one toggle switch, and here you can select when you will when you want to enable battery saver. You have the option here when unplugged, when battery reaches at 80%, at 50%, or at 20%. You can select between these four options. And in case you want to show the battery icon in the toolbar, just enable this one toggle switch also. Always show battery icon in the toolbar. This will show a battery icon in the toolbar, and by pressing this one battery icon, you can also enable or disable this one toggle switch.